The zero-waste concept is an environmentally friendly strategy aimed at minimizing waste generation and resource waste. The combination of pulp molding and zero-waste concepts has become an important development direction. Use renewable plant fibers, such as bamboo, bagasse, wheat straw, etc., to replace traditional wood fibers and reduce dependence on forest resources. Use recycled materials, such as waste paper and old newspapers as raw materials to reduce landfill and incineration. Use efficient production equipment and processes to reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Reduce the generation of wastewater, waste gas, and solid waste, and achieve zero emissions in the production process. Design products that are easy to degrade naturally to reduce the long-term impact on the environment. Promote the environmental advantages of pulp-molded products to consumers through advertising, social media, and other channels to improve consumers' environmental awareness. Recycled pulp molding products are reused to produce new pulp molding products, forming a closed-loop circular economy system.